A massive IT outage blew a screen of death, BSOD, on Windows machines sent shockwave across the globe, affecting major banks, airlines, and media outlets. The issue was reported on the evening of July 18, 2024, and continues to report issues globally. Flights were grounded, queues formed at airport, and communication system faltered. Reason? A faulty update from cybersecurity provider Crowdstrike. The update halted 1,000 Windows computers and displayed a blue screen of death. All affected systems around the world not able to reboot. The root cause appears to be in Crowdstrike Falcon product. The product used to stop breaches via a unified set of cloud-delivered technologies that prevent all types of attacks, including malware and much more. What we knew so far, Crowdstrike CEO George Kurtz swiftly acknowledged the issue, emphasizing that it wasn't a security incident or cyber attack. The fix was deployed, but the damage was done. While Crowdstrike identified the issues and reverted the faulty update after widespread reports of BSODs on Windows hosts, it doesn't appear to help machines that have already been impacted. Hence, fixing these machines won't be simple for IT admins. The workaround is boot Windows into safe mode or Windows recovery environment, go to the Windows drivers for Crowdstrike and locate and delete faulty file, and then boot normally. It is not an easy fix as the workaround is not scalable. It must be applied manually system by system. It takes hours to back all affected systems. The fun part is Crowdstrike, a relatively young company, usually investigates hacks. This time, their flawed update turned them into the source of chaos. With nearly 24,000 customers worldwide, fixing the issue became a monumental task. Each affected device requires separate application of the patch, leaving IT departments scrambling. The incident highlights the fragility of our digital infrastructure. Even lesser-known companies like Crowdstrike can disrupt the world when things go wrong. It is a reminder that one faulty update can trigger a global storm. We will update in the description when we know more about scalable solutions. Subscribe to our channel to learn the latest cybersecurity tips and how to stay safe online.